This is atoms. An atom is the smallest part of an element which still has its own properties. And the green one is electrons, which is negatively charged molecule. And protons is the red one, which is a positively charged particles. And the white one is neutron, which has no charge and also known as neutral. And proton and neutron made up nucleus, and this is atoms. This is a ceramic small bowl which made from cement. I don't have a real cement, so I use picture of it, sorry. And made of clay which is hardened by heating at high temperature. So this one, the ceramic one, is more useful in daily life. It's more reliable and stronger than clay. So overall, this is more valuable than clay and cement individually. When I add thermal energy, which is fire, the yellow thing, maybe plastic, will turn and melt into liquid. Do you see the little watery circle in there? When I add thermal energy, which is fire, the yellow thing, maybe plastic, will turn and melt into liquid. Do you see the little watery circle in there? So in the cup is Coca-Cola, and I'm going to put salt into it to create a chemical reaction. So as you see, it releases gas and odor when I put solid into it. So this is a sign of chemical reaction. So this combination is a chemical reaction. So this side we have 4 Fe, because 2 times 2 is 4, and then we have 6O because 2 times 3 is 6, and then we have 3C for this side. And this side we have also have 4 Fe, 6O, 2 times 3, or 3 times 2, 3C. This chemical reaction is equal because in a law of conservation of mass, in a chemical reaction, atoms are neither created or destroyed, so what goes in must come out. So this case contains this 1, 2, 3, 4, first 4 size is ice, but the last one is water. See that? Water. And I'm going to put this into the refrigerator and wait till when it becomes ice. So this is the result after 2 hours. this become ice, they are freezing, and this reaction called exothermic is when more energy is released when forming new products than it took to break the reactant. This is ice, and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. When the temperature change, the ice will melt into liquid. This is a result after 30 minutes. So the ice is melted out into liquid water, and this reaction is called endothermic. So when the melting process needs more heat to proceed, then release new product, which is water. So this is an oranges box which has a gravity force which is pulling down, but there is a floor which prevent, and it's called a normal force which prevent the box from pushing down. And if I push it, it's called a force applied, and on the other side there's a friction force which against me. And if the orange it's full of the box, it will be heavier to push because of frictions. So in this case, the box of biscuits will remain as rest, and it won't move, will not ever move unless there is an unbalanced force. It's my hand make it move. So if it's moved like this, it will never stop unless there is an unbalanced force, and in this case the unbalanced force here is called friction.
Don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head.
So have you just seen? The sound is getting louder by increasing the volume. So first, the sound is weak and small like the black wave, and then it changes to the blue one, more amplitude, louder and louder. So when the sound is getting louder and more amplitude, it means it's getting more energy. Do you see this teddy bear sitting here? So the teddy bear's pictures is bounce and hits the TV screen, and then it reflects back out so we can see the teddy bear on the screen and here. Do you see the flower is yellow? Yes, you do, because the flowers is absorb every color, and but they only reflect the yellow into our eyes. I stand in front of the window. See, I can touch it and make a sound. So window can be transmitted because light is transmitted through window so that we can see things outside through the window. So proof. So the black charge has more voltage than the white one. Because laptop is bigger than phone, of course it needs more electric known as energy for, so the charge should be more voltage than the phone because it needs less energy than the laptop. So this has more voltage than the white one. One of the factors that affects electricity is the quality of conductor. So the coat hanger is a better conductor than the comb because this one is made of metal and the comb is made of plastic, and metal is a better conductor than plastic, and plastic usually known as an insulator, which don't use to conduct electricity. This one, your hand and the doorknob have a little difference between electrons, so when two things touch, it will create a little shock but not create any injury at all. But for lightning, the sky and the ground are totally having different electrons, so when they hit each other they create a really big shock, and if people are getting hit by them, they will get injured. One of the factors that affects the magnetic field is distance. So as you see, if the two magnets are far away, nothing's happen. But if I push it near, they will stick it immediately because they are magnets. One is non-magnetic material because nothing is aligned, and this two metal ball is magnetic material because the domains in the group are aligned, but the whole thing is not aligned, so it cannot stick together. And this one is magnetic because everything is aligned, so it can attract things like this. So this one is wire, and this one is motor, this one is battery, no one I need it, this one is switch. So today I gonna build the circuit. So first of all, I have the wire and I connect it to the switch, and then connect the connecting wire, and connect to this one to the motor, and turn off and pull. And the battery, the electricity is moving because when I press the switch on, this one is working. It means the electricity is moving.